be departing momentarily for the main terminal. Whether you are here on business, returning home, or visiting our world-class attractions, welcome to Orlando and Central Florida.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident of Central Florida, I want to welcome you home. If you're one of our 72 million visitors, welcome to the City Beautiful. You probably know Orlando for its world-class theme parks and attractions, but you may not know the other half of it. From our professional sports and high-tech and emerging medical industries to our vibrant arts community, there's something for everyone. Enjoy your visit.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to the handrails. The shuttle is approaching the main terminal building. When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A. Resort and other ground transportation options are on level 1.